Hey, I'm John Gardner, and welcome to your tech tip in under 60 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, you're going down the road and your car's bouncing like a baby bug. Well, you can do a jounce or a bounce test. Push down on it. If it's bouncing more than 1.5 times, it's probably time to look at your shock absorbers. Here's one right here. We're looking at one. If it's got all this goop and grease, hey, magnorheological fluid. Oh, that's a whole nother 60 seconds. Get rid of it. Don't. Strut assembly right here. The strut assembly has the rust here. The top's all messed up. Get rid of it. Take it off. If it's going in like this here and there's actually no resistance whatsoever, time to get rid of it. What's a good shock supposed to look like? Here's the valving. It's all about the valving, my friend. How much fluid's going through. No leakage. You got the actual rubber mounts here. This one is a great shock. What are you doing?
I've been here the whole time. Under a minute. Very nice. Oh, by the way, I love the cutaway.